Hey everyone, Joffrey here, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the world of Vivo with their latest release, the Vivo V40. This phone promises to deliver a top-tier experience and a mid-range price, packed with exciting features and a sleek design. Let's take a closer look at what Vivo is bringing to the table with the V40. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. Let's start with its design. The Vivo V40 gives off a premium vibe with its sleek and modern design. You've got a glass back with a gradient finish that really catches the light. It's a slim of 7.6mm, lightweight with just 190 grams that feels great in hand. The phone is available in two colors, titanium gray and lotus purple, both of which look absolutely stunning. Now moving on with the display, Vivo has equipped the V40 with a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen featuring a 1260 by 2800 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of a whopping 4500 nits. This combination ensures you get bright, vibrant colors and super smooth scrolling, which is perfect whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just browsing your social media feeds. Vivo has also kept the bezels minimal, offering an impressive 90% screen-to-body ratio, making the V40 feel immersive and modern. Plus, the under display fingerprint scanner is fast and responsive. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Vivo V40 is equipped with a versatile dual camera setup. You've got a 50MP primary sensor with f1.9 aperture and OIS support, with Zeiss optics features, a 50MP ultra-wide with ring LED flash. The main sensor is where Vivo really shines, capturing stunning photos with plenty of details and accurate colors. And the ultra-wide is great for landscape shots. In daylight, the Vivo V40 performs brilliantly, producing sharp and vibrant images. Even in low light, the night mode does a solid job, brightening up images without too much noise. For selfie lovers, the 50MP front camera is a winner. It captures clear, bright selfies with excellent skin tones. Both rear and selfie cameras supported 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. Now, in terms of the performance under the hood, the Vivo V40 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, a 4nm chipset with the clock speed of octa-core 2.63 GHz, paired with 12GB of RAM and two storage options, 256 and 512GB of internal storage. This combination provides a smooth performance whether you're multitasking or using resource-heavy apps. For the gamers out there, the Vivo V40 handles popular titles like PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile with ease, thanks to 120Hz display and the phone's optimized game mode. In terms of day-to-day performance, the V40 is snappy and responsive. Vivo's FunTouch OS 14, based on Android 14, is smooth and easy to navigate. The phone also includes a decent-sized 5500 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts through a full day of moderate use. And when you do need to charge, the whopping 80 watts fast charging gets you back up from 0 to 100% in just 62 minutes. The Vivo V40 also comes with a bunch of extra features like dual stereo speakers, 5G connectivity, NFC depends on the region, eSIM, IP68 dust and water resistant, and an in-display fingerprint scanner, making it a well-rounded device for its price point. So, who is the Vivo V40 for? If you're looking for a phone that combines a great display, solid camera performance, and reliable everyday use without breaking the bank, this might just be the perfect choice for you. At its price point of 1699 dirhams for 12GB of RAM and 256 storage, and 1899 for 12GB RAM and 512GB of internal storage, the Vivo V40 offers fantastic value with a good balance between premium design and high-end features. Alright, thanks for tuning in to our review of the Vivo V40. Let me know what you think of this phone in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.